Two digital banks go head-to-head in this comprehensive review. It's Monzo versus Starling, and I'm here to unveil everything from features and fees to ease of banking and, of course, security. Monzo and Starling are two of the UK's most prominent examples of challenger banks. They both started life in 2016 and have been disrupting how banking is done since then. There are no branches where you can conduct business banking. Instead, your bank is in the palm of your hand on an app on your smartphone. This puts you in control of your banking in real time at any moment of the day. This level of financial control is liberating. Both banks offer a range of features and account types. You can use their tools to help you budget and save more easily, and both offer overdraft facilities for those times when money is tight. You can also earn rewards with both cards. This includes cashback. Both banks are registered and authorized under UK banking laws, so you benefit from protection under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. This means that up to £85,000 of your money in either bank is protected should the bank go bust. Let's take a look at how the features and benefits of Monzo and Starling accounts measure up against each other. Both Starling and Monzo offer a range of accounts. These include personal and joint accounts. However, there are a few key differences summarized in the following table. Monzo's paid for accounts, Plus and Premium, costs £5 per month and £15 per month respectively. However, this payment opens many more features, including fee-free withdrawals abroad, roundups, customizable spending analysis tools, and interest on your current account. As a premium account holder, you also benefit from access to phone and travel insurance, higher interest on your current account, and discounted airport lounge access. Starling does not offer a paid-for account. However, this doesn't mean you get fewer features than you do as a Monzo account holder. You'll still have savings pots called Spaces at Starling, as well as a suite of money management tools, roundups, and bill splitting facilities. Both banks offer budgeting features within their apps. You'll receive instant notification of spending or payments being taken, and you can analyze how you are spending your money to help you manage your money more effectively. You'll be able to manage your card through the app too. Monzo and Starling both allow you to connect accounts from other banks, meaning you get a 360-degree view of your finances. Monzo also allows you to set budgets and spending targets, which is great for spotting worrying spending trends and poor financial habits. Both offer fee-free ATM withdrawals in the UK, though Monzo will charge 3% of any amount withdrawn over £250 in a month. You can use Apple Pay and Google Pay with both Monzo and Starling, but only Starling allows Samsung Pay. Both Starling and Monzo offer cashback for eligible spending. You'll need to check the details on the respective apps and terms and conditions, but Monzo has hit the ground running. Monzo's cashback offer has opened with between 2% and 10% cashback on spending, saying, "Most offers are in the top 10% of brands where our customers shop." Both banks have tools that will help you save and offer enticing interest rates on their current accounts. Starling charges no fees for day-to-day banking. It pays 3.25% AER on its current account balances up to £5,000. Monzo does not pay interest on its current account balances. However, you can transfer your money to an instant access account and earn 4.1% on balances up to £100,000. This rate of interest paid increases to 5.6% for premium account holders. As an account holder at either Monzo or Starling, you'll be able to take advantage of savings pots or spaces and roundups. A roundup happens when you spend money on your card. The spend amount is rounded to the next whole pound, and the difference is automatically transferred to your savings account. These are great tools to help you save towards specific savings goals. Monzo offers 3 investment funds managed by BlackRock. You can invest from as little as £1. The investment funds are based upon the risk level you are happiest with: careful, balanced, and adventurous. Each fund is diversified within its asset range and actively managed. As you move up the risk ladder from careful to adventurous, Your fund may increase faster in good markets, but may also fall faster in bad market conditions. You'll pay a fund management fee and a platform fee. If you are a fee account holder, the fee you pay will be a total of 0.59% per annum of your fund value. If you are a plus or premium account holder, you will pay 0.49% per annum. Most people need a little financial help from time to time. It may be that you need to dip into an overdraft facility for an unexpected expense, though. If you've saved an emergency fund, this should never be the case. Perhaps you need to access a personal loan for a deposit on a car or other major expenditure. Maybe you've seen a bargain in the sales, but don't have the cash available right now. You'll be pleased to hear that both Monzo and Starling offer solutions for you, though Monzo has a more comprehensive offering for personal customers. Monzo's Buy Now Pay Later facility is called Monzo Flex. Neither Monzo nor Starling charge fees for using your debit card to make purchases while abroad. You'll also find that they both offer highly competitive exchange rates. However, if you wish to withdraw cash while you're traveling, then Starling will be the cheaper option. As a Monzo user, you'll only be able to withdraw £200 from an ATM abroad in a 30-day period before being charged for the privilege. After this, the charge is a hefty 3%. Be aware also that if you are traveling in Europe, any ATM withdrawal, whether in Europe or the UK, will incur a charge if a combined limit of £250 in ATM withdrawals is exceeded. With Starling, you can withdraw up to £300 per day at home or abroad without fees being applied. Even the most technically able of us need some support sometimes. With your banking, this can be crucial. So, how do Monzo and Starling measure up? Both have an on-site, comprehensive, frequently asked questions section with questions divided into categories to help you find the answer you need. They both offer an in-app support service with options to send a message or talk to an advisor via live chat. Monzo also provides a free phone number for the most urgent queries between 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. It's incredibly easy to open a bank account with Monzo or Starling or both. Fast too. You'll need to download the app and then apply through that. There are a few questions to answer, and you'll need to confirm a few details like age and residency status. You'll also need to record a short selfie video, don't worry, you're not auditioning for a role in Hollywood, and provide a photo of your photo ID document like a driving license or passport. There are no credit checks, and the entire application process takes less than 10 minutes. That's probably less time than it takes you to get out of your front door and travel to your local town before parking and walking to a high street bank to request an account. In most cases, your account will be verified as open within a couple of hours. Your debit card will be sent free of charge, and your bank account will be up and running. Both banks put control of your day-to-day banking and finances in the palm of your hand. It is a liberating experience. You'll find both apps are extremely user-friendly. Both banks are highly rated by customers and the industry. With little to choose between them, the choice between the two comes down to your personal banking needs. Monzo is especially suitable for you if you are a borrower or saver who requires a few added perks from their digital bank account. You'll get comprehensive money management tools combined with traditional banking features, as well as innovative features like customizable spending analysis, auto-saving tools, and high interest rates. On the other hand, if you are an entrepreneur with a need for a more flexible business banking account or need greater flexibility of banking, Starling offers a streamlined approach. You won't get the added extras of Monzo's paid-for accounts, but there is certainly enough in Starling's toolbox to satisfy most needs. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.